Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Thinkware has updated its line of dash cams, and there are features designed to add to peace of mind. With the F800 Pro, in addition to recording video while you're driving, it provides lane departure and collision warnings, and the company's Bailey Wong says because it is connected via hotspot and the app can be shared, it can be a lifesaver.
For example, if your son Bill wanted to take his mom's car out for a ride and he gets into an accident, his mom would immediately receive a notification on her phone that there was an impact and can provide the appropriate help that her son needs. We also have made really large advancements in our parking mode features,
Minimizing power use while the vehicle is parked. You'll need the hardwiring kit for that. The features are impressive and do add to peace of mind. There's more at Thinkware.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.